What's up guys, and we're back, and this is the new project for the channel, but let me tell you why. Alright guys, and this is the new project and it looks cool. And for those of you guys that are gonna ask, where is the Supra? The Supra is sold and I got this one. Okay, the good thing, this thing is paid off. I don't owe anything of this one. Right, so let's start with the things that needs to get fixed first. Okay, let's start with the front. I need to change this one, put a new cover in there. This one, I need to fix this thing over here. I don't like these things. Yeah, these are ugly. I don't like those. Not even these, I don't like those. So I'm gonna get the plastic to put it normal, the way it is, and it's rusted here. So I'm just gonna sand it down and spray paint it, because we're gonna wrap this one. We're gonna wrap it, and the spoiler, yes, we're gonna do it in black. I wanna do it different this time, but yeah, it has a fading in here, some fading in here. But the cool thing, it has nice tail lights. It has smoke tail lights. It's lower, has coilovers. Headlights, cool headlights. I think those are the Mark 7 style, I think. I'm not sure. And I already added a little bit of yellow here because it is like a kind of faded, so I put that one in there. A yellow. Okay guys, so this is the new project, the GTI. So it needs a lot of work, but we're gonna fix it first, and then after fixing all the problems, we're gonna start doing modifications to this car. So the content is gonna be great. I'm gonna try to make one video per week for this car, okay? And the modifications that I want, my wish list. Okay, this is my wish list. The first one is the wrap. I'm gonna wrap the whole car, and I'm gonna put the graphics on top of the wrap. The next one should be wheels, I think, but in the future, because the budget is not that big. Wheels, and we're gonna do wheels. We're gonna do an exhaust system. What else? Oh, maybe a carbon fiber steering wheel. Some things for the interior. I'm already looking for modifications for the car, so I'm gonna do some of those for the car. A lot of modifications. I have already a list, but those are the main ones that we want to do. Wheels, wrap, exhaust. This one already comes with an intake, so that's something that we don't have to do. Modification. And also we have to fix the roof liner. We have to wash the seats, fix the bumper things that are grabbing the bumper. I'm gonna remove those. Okay, and we're gonna do a lot of simple things like the shifter boot, steering wheel, some wrap on the interior. Simple stuff. But let me know, what do you guys want for content in the comments? Put in the comment. Okay, so we're gonna make a lot of videos for this year. And the Supra is gone. Sorry about that. Sorry about the Supra. Yeah, I sold it already, and with that I bought this. Okay. But let me know if you like this kind of cars, because this one is going to be a nice content for the channel. We're gonna make cool video with this one. Okay, but let me know what you guys think. All right. Okay guys, so this is the new project. This is the GTI Mark 6, and we're gonna make it super nice and cool. It's gonna be simple modifications, but it's gonna look amazing. Okay, so hit the notification bell, subscribe for more videos like this one. If you like the video, please like the video and put in the comments what modifications do you want to see for this car. Okay, unfortunately the Supra is gone, but the good thing, the loan and everything is paid off, and this one is paid off too. So that's amazing. Okay, thank you guys for watching. God bless you, and I'll see you on the next one.